In a cold grey November of 2024, my friend Andy and I set out on a mission. Destination, Barchon, Belgium. The goal? To pick up a Ferrari 360 Spider I just bought with a manual transmission from Jet Set Car Center. What happened next changed the way I think about cars. Forever. This wasn't just another car pickup. This was a possession by something red, raw, and just a little bit evil. The Ferrari 360 Spider is a pure temptation on four wheels. It whispers bad ideas into your ear. It's aggressive, it's twitchy, it's tail-happy, an absolutely irresistible machine. You don't drive this car, you negotiate with it. But this video isn't just about a car, it is about a journey. Two friends rolling through rainy Belgian countryside, chasing a dream, and meeting the real rock stars behind the scenes. Giacomo and Natalie, the power couple behind Jet Set Car Center. And if you've never heard of them, now you have. Their garage is bonkers, exotic machines everywhere, and every one of them is curated with love and obsessive precision. I think it's a perfect way to pick up the Testarossa or
definitely
the 360 Ferrari. And one of the best days to buy a Ferrari and give it a test drive.
Yeah.
On a wet, rainy, foggy weather. But okay, we're gonna make the best out of it. Let me just say, driving a Ferrari 360 Spider on wet roads, not recommended unless you have a solid life insurance policy. This car has no chill. The rear wants to dance constantly, and if you are not 100% focused, it will spin you out like a pissed off mule. There you go. We are about probably a couple of minutes away. It says
1 minute exactly.
All right. Let's do it. In here. Some really cool cars actually.
Yeah, some Mustangs. A Shelby even. Oh, I see something red inside.
Shall we do it?
Yes, let's go.
Let's go for it.
Hello!
Hey, hello. A young man. Meeting Giacomo and Natalie, this was a highlight. Genuine, passionate, honest to the core. These two people don't just sell cars, they live them. Every vehicle in their collection reflects their philosophy, no junk, no hype, just a real deal automotive love. Hello Natalie.
Oh, good.
Hi.
Hi.
Andy. Hey.
How are you?
Happy holidays.
Yes.
All okay?
Yes.
It's good. I should get my license plates then.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll get it
You
here.
can take it.
Yeah. Ah, this is the original.
Porte la plaque.
This is the original.
Yes. To put in your car.
Ah.
Kom.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, strong man.
And they knew what they were doing with this one. The 2B exhaust they installed, oh my God, it's not just a sound, it's an event. It grows, it wails, it screams, it makes your soul vibrate. We have the screw. Okay.
Not too much holidays after. We don't go out of Belgium now because we have a car for delivery, we bought car, we bought this, we bought 2 cars this morning, we have a lot of work, so every day we have work and more.
What is this?
TVR.
Ah, this is
the
TVR.
Okay. Scan.
Anytime you're checking out a dealership, look what else they've got. It tells you everything. Like that TBR Tucson sitting in the corner. This isn't a car you buy unless you're serious about the thrill.
Yeah, it has a bike exhaust.
Yeah.
That's
It's a motorcycle exhaust.
It's a 4-liter V8 or something, I guess. Huh?
Wow. What should we know about the car? Anything we need to know or?
Il doit savoir quelque chose de spécial sur la voiture.
Non, mis à part que Comme elle a un échappement sport.
She has a sport exhaust, so you must know that with the sport exhaust, it stays inside on the board computer. Light. I show
mais ça vient, c'est aléatoire.
Yes. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it go out, but it's the fact that we change the
exhaust.
Yes. So I explain you that we go to the technician, he check everything on the wheels, everything is checked.
Alors comme c'est une boîte mécanique,
It's all the car in manual gearbox. So you must wait that the car is hot, yes, to have a correct
Gear change.
gearbox. Because sometimes when it's too cold, it's difficult to go in one or two. So you must do at this moment double
The clutching,
clutch. Yes.
Total transparency, they told me up front that the shifter gets a little cranky in the cold weather, and they offered to fine-tune it after I've had a chance to break it in. Respect.
You must slow slowly, as a woman.
Okay.
Not harder.
sinon tout est ok, tout...
Yes, all is working. The car is completely checked. 4 new tire. So you are... Yes!
No oil.
I know.
Cosmetically, stunning. Mechanically, tight. And that engine bay, Ferrari's V8 art piece, might be the best looking part of the whole car. Okay.
Les cours de distribution sont faites, pompe à eau,
Belts are
nouvelle
done.
bougie.
New sparkling.
Spark plugs?
Yeah. And new water pump.
Okay.
Wait, there is the invoice. I show you the old invoice.
Et alors je lui enverrai la facture, c'est moi qui paye, hein,
Oui, oui.
du check-up la semaine
Yes.
passée.
When we will get the invoice of the checkup, I send you by email.
Mais c'est moi
It's for us, if
Yes.
we pay, but
Comme ça il a le dossier
you
complet.
will have a complete file.
Okay. Super. And then Giacomo fired it up. Boom! That V8 bark with the tubby on full throat, it's aggression in audio form. It shakes the walls. You feel it in your chest. One more time. That V8 bark with the tubby on full throat, it's aggression in audio form. It shakes the walls. You feel it in your chest.
It's great.
Okay.
This is coupe-circuit. Battery.
Battery. The main switch.
Le chargeur.
Yeah.
Derrière.
Yes. Okay. Even the little things were sorted. Battery charger, master cutoff switch, all the extras you'd expect if you were dealing with someone who knows how to treat a Ferrari, which I was.
Oui, la batterie se trouve là au pied.
Ah oui, ça c'est le... faut déconnecter tout.
Ça, on peut déconnecter tout, mais on peut quand même charger avec... On peut quand même charger avec...
Oui, le C-Tech.
Ouais, exact.
Oui.
Okay. All right. Fast forward, we get it home. parked safely in the garage, still buzzing. And that's when we really started to absorb it. This isn't just a car, it's a sculpture, speed, madness, romance, all in one. This thing gets really super hot. Woo! Okay, there we go. And of course, as soon as we open this, somebody will want to pass.
We will fry some chicken a bit later.
Definitely chicken fries.
Barbecue.
But the engine is super dry.
Yeah, it looks. Yeah, even the paint looks good. Huh?
Yeah.
It's perfect. Well.
Great. That was the roar of the lion. Huh?
You are the lion, man.
And that sound, good luck leaving it alone. We couldn't stop. We kept revving it, drifting, taking turns like two kids on a Christmas morning. This wasn't just a car pickup. It was a full-blown experience. Rain, adrenaline, horsepower, and a machine that bites back. The Ferrari 360 Spider isn't a car you buy. It is the car that chooses you.